for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and this is your class 275 that we have to discuss here. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. So let's get started here. And the question 275 we have as an amount of rupees 1 lakh is invested in two types of shares. The first yield an interest of 9% per annum and the second 11% per annum. If the total interest at the end of the 1 year is your 93 by 4%, then the amount invested in each share was. This has been asked in the MBA examination paper. The options are rupees 52,500, rupees 47,500. B option is rupees 62,500, rupees 37,500. C option is rupees 72,500, rupees 27,500, and the D option is rupees 82,500, rupees 17,500. So let's go for the same here. The question is 78th question. So let's get started. So let's go for the same, and then here we go. Let the sum invested be rupees minus x, then x into 9 into 1 upon 100 plus upon 100. 239.4 into 1 upon 100. So 2x plus 11 lakh minus 1 minus 11x upon 100, that is equals to 39,000 upon 4, which is equals to 9,750. Now further we go. Two x equals to 11 lakh minus 975,000 equals to 125,000, which is equals to x equals to 62,500. Sum invested at 9% equals to rupees 62,500. Sum invested at 11%, rupees 1 lakh minus 62,500, 37,500, that we have as an answer. Now we go for the option, that is 37,500 is your option, or B will be the second will be the right answer. 62,500, and this is B1. Okay, now we go further with the next one, that is the another important question is your 79th question of the session, and that the question we have as follows. The question is, David invested certain amount in 3 different schemes A, B, C with the rate of interest 10% per annum, 12% per annum and 15% per annum respectively. If the total interest occurred in 1 year was rupees 3,200 and the amount invested in scheme C was 150 of the amount invested in scheme A and 240% of the amount invested in scheme B, what was the amount invested in scheme B? That was asked in the bank PO question paper. The options are rupees 55,000, rupees 6,500, rupees 8,000, cannot be determined, and none of these. Let's go for the same. Let's go for the same. The options are can't determine none of these. So let's go for the same. A, B and C respectively. Then x into 10 into 1 upon 100 plus y into 12 into 1 upon 100 plus z into 15 into 1 upon 100 equals to 3200. So 10x plus 12y plus 15z equals to 3,20,000. This is the first equation. Now z equals to 40% of y equals to 12 upon 5y. This is the second equation. And the z and 50% of x equals to 3 by 2x. X equals to 2 by 3z. 2 by 3 into 12 by 5 y equals to 8 upon 5. This is the third equation. Now from 1 to 3 we have. So from 1 to 3rd we have here is your 16y plus 12y plus 36y equals to 3,20,000. 64y equals to 3,20,000. Y equals to 5,000. Now sum invested in scheme B equals to rupees 5,000. That has been the right answer. So 5,000 will go for the option, and that is the option A will be the right answer for this question. Now we go next question. That is your 80th question of the session, and that we have as follows. So the 80th question we have here is: a person invested in all 2,600 at 4%, 6% and 8% per annum simple interest. At the end of the year he got the same interest in all the three cases. The money invested at 4% is the option. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options are rupees 200, rupees 600, rupees 800, rupees 1200. And we in this class we had done about MBA examination paper, bank PO, and now we'll discuss the SSC examination paper. So let's go for the same. A person invested in all 2,600 at 4%, 6% and 8% per annum simple interest. At the end of the year he got the same interest in all the three cases. the money invested at 4% is asked in SSC examination paper. So the options are rupees 200, rupees 600, rupees 800 and rupees 1200. So let's go for the same. Here, and that we have as follows: the 80th question. So let the parts be x, y and 2600 minus x plus y, then x into 4 into 1 upon 100 equals to y into 6 into 1 upon 100. 2600 minus x plus y, x into 1 upon 100. Now further y upon x, 2 upon 6 equals to 2 upon 3, or y equals to 2 upon 3x. So x into 4 into 1 upon 100. 2600 minus 5 by 3x into 8 upon 100. 4x equals to 7800 minus 5x into 8 upon 3. 52x equals to 7800 into x equals to 7800 into 8 upon 52 equals to 1200. So money invested at 4% equals to rupees 1200. That is will be the right answer for this particular question. So let's go for the same, and here we're going to end up with, we'll discuss the next in the next class. So I will just tell you about the questions that we have here as follows for the next question. That is to divide rupees 2375 into 3 parts so that their amounts after 2374 years respective may be equal, the rate of the interest being 5% per annum at the simple interest. The first part is, the options are rupees 759, rupees 792, rupees 8118 and rupees 828. This has been asked in the CBI examination paper. So let's go for the same. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.